Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Eclipse for Java programming in Windows 10. So just follow me and you will be able to download Eclipse with Java JDK for Java programming on your Windows. So first of all we have to install Java JDK. So just search Java JDK and the page will be appear here. So you just need to click on these right now. At the making of this video right now, JDK 19 is available, so you can download the executable file. So right now the latest version is this one. You can click on this to download and install it. And after this we need to also download Eclipse for Eclipse IDE for running Java program and to edit Java program. So just type Eclipse and go to first section, or you can go to this section, download. Just click on it. It will take you to this page, and right now just click on this and click on this button. So we have already downloaded the Java JDK. Just click open it to install it. Allow the permission, and now it is being installed. So right now the Java JDK has been installing. So just click on next, click on next. Speed is not coming. If your Java JDK has been installed successfully, now you can close this window, and we are going to set up environmental variable for Java. So just close it. Now we have to go to C drive where the Java JDK has been installed. So let's open it first. Now go to C drive and go to program file and go to Java, and there is a JDK 19, and go to bin folder and path copy the path. Fine. And after this you have to go to control panel. Control panel, open it. Go to system and security, go to, and after this you have to go to And after this, you have to click on System. Once the system is open, you have to go to Advanced System Setting and click on Environmental Variable, and here you have to edit the paths. So you have to click on this path and edit. Now what you have to do, you have to click on New and go to the directory where we have opened the folder, JDK folder. So you have to go to open a bin folder and copy the path and go to system variable and click on new and just paste it. Fine, and save it. And after that you have to also add as Java home. And now we have to create a variable for Java, which is Java home, and then we need to click on new and create a variable Java underscore home, Java home. And after this we have to add a variable value, and we have to again open the folder, JDK folder, and go back to JDK folder only. Don't open the bin folder, just up to JDK 19, and copy this path and again back to the system variable where we have to paste this variable value. And this is our C drive program file Java JDK 19 up to JDK 19 folder. Fine, and after this we have to copy, paste it. Now we have done almost, we are almost done, and so just click on OK, click on OK. So to verify if your Java has been successfully installed, just open cmd and type Java hyphen and version. So it will show you a Java version. Click on enter and you will see Java version 19.0.1, and the date is 2022 10 and 18. So Java SE runtime environmental variable, it is already installed, and Java hotspot 64-bit server VM. So we have done almost. Now we are going to download Eclipse and install it. So guys, right now the Eclipse server is very slow. It is not downloading IDE file very fast. Right now I have attempted 3 times, and all the times the download process has been cancelled. So I think we'll do it later. But now we have verified that our JDK, Java JDK, uh, has been installed on Windows successfully. I hope you get it. I hope you understood. And yeah, that's how you can do it. And you can verify by using CMD if you are not being able to download Eclipse. Right now the server is very slow, and I'm trying to download by Opera for browser as well. But you can see the speed is right now 25 to 26 kb per second. So it is not favorable downloading speed. So yeah, I think we'll do it later once the file is downloaded. Now we have downloaded successfully the Java JDK on Windows system. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.